Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Already we have learned some properties of rational numbers in part 1. Today let us start with the role of 0. We know when we add 0 to a whole number, the sum is again that whole number. And if you add 0 to an integer, sum is again that integer. This happens for rational numbers also. When we add 0 to a rational number, the sum is again that rational number. So, 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. It is the additive identity for integers and whole numbers as well. Next, role of 1. As for the whole numbers and integers, for rational numbers also, 1 is the multiplicative identity. That is, when we multiply any rational number with 1, you get back that rational number as the product. Now, what is negative of a number? If the sum of two rational numbers is 0, we say that one number is the negative or the additive inverse of the other number. And if the product of two rational numbers is 1, that is, when we multiply two rational numbers and the product is 1, we say that one number is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the other. Here, the reciprocal of the rational number 5 by 8, it is 8 by 5, and when we multiply both, we get the product 1. A rational number C by D. It is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of another rational number A by B if A by B into C by D, that is equal to 1. 0 has no reciprocal. Next is distributive property. Consider the rational numbers minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. When we do this sum, here we have to find the LCM of the denominators 3 and 6. I have uploaded one video regarding HCF and LCM. If you want, you can watch it. Here I am not doing all the calculations. I am just going through the properties only. Here we get the answer as 1 by 8. Here, when we do this product, that is minus 3 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 3, it will be product of numerators, that is minus 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 3, that is product of denominators. Here also the answer is 1 by 8. Since in both the cases the answers are same, we can equate these two. That is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6, that is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6. So, in general, we can write the distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction as for all rational numbers A, B and C, A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC and A into B minus C equal to AB minus AC. That's all about properties of rational numbers. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.